Hello everyone. In this video, I will give the weather outlook for Maharashtra. For the past few days, we have been experiencing dry weather, almost no rains in the state for the past 1 week or so. But that is all going to change starting tomorrow, where we will see some scattered rains followed by widespread rains. Okay. So, what is the reason behind that? So basically, if you look at the satellite image, you can see that there is a good clouding near Arabian Sea, which is the Southeast Arabian Sea. So this is going to become a low pressure tomorrow, okay, and it is going to trigger the onset over Kerala. Monsoon onset over Kerala will happen due to this system. IMD will announce onset around June 1st or 2nd is my belief. So we will wait for the formal announcement. But this particular clouding is mainly because of this cyclonic circulation, which is extending all the way up to 700 millibar, or approximately 3 kilometers from the ground. You have this active circulation. I like to call it monsoon vortex because this is going to trigger the onset of monsoon. It is basically nothing but a low pressure system. So it will be a low pressure system starting tomorrow, and then slowly intensify into a depression as well. That will be. We will wait and see how it happens. Okay, and then this monsoon vortex is going to move north, and also it may curve slightly towards the east, so it will come close to our coast and then maybe further inland. Okay, this is where Bombay is. So this is going to trigger some rains for the coastal areas. When you come to interior, then there is a wind convergence, or the line of discontinuity as I like to call it. This is basically the low level convergence which is created due to the winds meeting at some point, the winds from the west and winds from the east meeting and creating a front. Okay, so that is going to trigger thunderstorms, and those thunderstorms are going to give rains over Maharashtra, especially southwest Maharashtra and also central Maharashtra like Pune, Satara, Kolhapur, and Ahmednagar. All those places are set to receive thunderstorms starting tomorrow. If you look at the GFS run, it's also showing the cyclonic circulation, which is moving northwards and then curving towards the um, land. Okay, it is not a cyclone right now, so let us not believe in any rumors related to cyclone. If anything changes, I will update. But right now, it is just a low pressure system. All right, so let's sum it up. So, what is in store for Maharashtra and also Mumbai rains? People have been very anxious. So, May 31st, scattered rains will start over interior Maharashtra, like Pune, Satara, Kolhapur, Ahmednagar, all those places. Also, Nashik may also start getting some isolated rains from tomorrow. But the key is in this vortex, which once it starts moving up, then the rainfall pattern will increase over coastal over the Konkan as well as interior Maharashtra. Okay, so from June 1st, rains will slowly become widespread, and June 2nd to 4th is going to be widespread rains over coastal as well as interior Maharashtra. Okay, so for Mumbai specifically, Mumbai and suburbs, moderate to heavy showers are possible from June 2nd. June 1st, we may get some isolated showers, but June 2nd onwards, good showers are on charts. So if I want to put a quantum of rains for Bombay and suburbs, then on 2nd, anywhere between 25 mm to 35 mm is my bet. Third, there will be a slight increase. On third, we may get up to 40-45 mm. It's possible. Fourth, again, it will be similar to second, where we will get around 30-35 mm. So total over the period of 3 days, we may get 100 mm of rainfall. That's why I'm calling it moderate to heavy. Okay, so let us just wait and see how it all pans out. But this is the outlook for the next few days up until June 4th. And Mumbai monsoon is likely to make a onset around June 8th. Okay, a separate post will be posted once the things are very clear. All right. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and wait for updates about Mumbai rains and Mumbai monsoon. Thank you so much.